Birds on string. Thumb printing. Follow the step and complete the picture as shown. Step: dip your thumbs in orange and sky blue poster colors respectively. Print impressions slightly above the string to make the birds as shown. Now, draw beaks and tails to complete the birds. Five little birdies sitting at the door. One flew away and rest wherefore. Four little birdies sitting at the tree. One flew away and rest were three. Complete the poem until it remains 0. Do you know? Small flocking birds like tree sparrows communicate with each other and fly in close formation and spiral patterns without colliding.